Hey, welcome to LanguaTalk. My name is Ariel. I'm the founder of the app, and in this video I just want to show you some of the things that we've been working on and help you understand how AI can help you master a new language faster. So let's get started. The first thing you can see is that I'm in the course path, and here I can choose any conversation topic I like, and after every conversation I unlock new ones. So let's start a new conversation where we can talk about sports with an AI chatbot called Luis.
Hola. Mi deporte favorito es el fútbol. ¿Y el tuyo?
And here Luis is asking me what's my favorite sports. And he says his favorite sport is football or soccer. Now I need to reply. And let's say I know how to reply. So what I need to do is to tap once to speak and then tap again to send it. So let's say, hola Luis, mi deporte favorito es tenis. So here I replied, and the AI chatbot
¿Por qué te gusta el tenis?
is replying, and it's also giving me feedback. It says my reply was excellent. Thank you. And now Luis is asking me why do I like tennis? And let's say I want to say because it's a very fast sport. Like the pacing is very fast, and I don't really know how to use Spanish to say it. So what I can do is to use one of the hints here. And in the hints, I have different options. One would be to get response suggestions. So I can tap it and get 3 different ways I can respond to this kind of question. So, me gusta el tenis porque I like tennis because it's very fun, or it's very competitive, or it's very healthy. And I can see the different words to say this. Or I can use my own hints, which is my own words, which are using the translation feature. And here I can speak to it in my native language. In my case, I would use English for the example. And I can say, I want to say I like tennis because it's very fast. And now it gives me hints on how to use these kind of words. And it gives me the word rapido, which is definitely the relevant question here, like the relevant word here. So I can use this one, and I can use me gusta el tenis porque es muy rápido.
Sí. Es emocionante. ¿Juegas a menudo?
And in this example, I don't really know what does it mean, juegas a menudo. I think it's like playing a minute or something like that, but I'm probably wrong. So I use the translation icon here to open it, and it is actually, do you plan often? And if I'm not sure which word is menudo, so I can tap it as well. And I can get info about it, and I can also save it to my collection, so later on I can practice it and memorize it better. I want to say that, yes, I do. Sí, juego a menudo. ¿Y tú? ¿Tengo un deporte favorito?
Amo el fútbol. Me gusta mucho jugarlo y verlo. ¿Te gusta el fútbol?
And Luis is asking me if I actually also like football. And before I continue, I want to show you another feature, which is actually the voice call feature. So I will tap on the phone icon on the top right corner to start this kind of feature call.
Amo el fútbol. Me gusta mucho jugarlo y verlo. ¿Te gusta el fútbol?
So as you can see, it's basically a similar conversation experience, except that this one actually forces me to answer without tapping anything, without waiting to think. I need to answer on the spot, forcing me to engage in a more fluent way. And it keeps up from where we stopped in this conversation. So let's get back to it. Sí, me gusta el fútbol mucho. ¿Por qué te gusta fútbol?
Me gusta el fútbol porque es emocionante y une a las personas. ¿Qué te gusta a ti?
And if it's too easy for me, if I don't want the translation, I can also tap the settings icon and remove the suggestions. And I can also remove the text if I don't want to learn with text. And now I'm actually not really sure what it means. ¿Qué te gusta a ti? Me gusta jugarlo el videojuegos. ¿Te gusta?
Sí. Me encanta jugarlo en videojuegos también. ¿Cuál es tu videojuego favorito?
And now we switch the conversations to a new topic, which is also because the conversations are very open-ended, and I can continue the conversation, and everything I chatted with Luis in the phone call is also transcribed and shown here. So I can see which of my answers were right or wrong, and I can learn more about them if I want, or even add them as a new lesson to practice. We switch to video games. Let's finish this conversation. Mi videojuego favorito es Legend de Zelda. ¿Y a ti? Probably made a mistake here. Oh, no. Okay.
Es divertido jugar con amigos. ¿Juegas con amigos?
And let's complete this scenario because we sent enough messages. We've passed this lesson. We got 3 stars. We made some mistakes, but overall we did a good job. And now what the AI can do is actually generate lessons for us to practice based on our performance and based on the tips that we wanted the AI tutor to help us with. So let's give it a try. And 2 lessons are added to the plan. Use of me and talking about tennis. So it knows what the conversation was about. It knows what my mistakes were. It knows what kind of hints I requested help with. And let's see what it offers us. Okay, so this one is based on the mistake. And it's going to generate different sentences and words for us to practice based on the conversation to help us do much better in the next time. And we will have to go through around 15 different questions under that topic. So it's about listening, vocabulary, grammar, like forming sentences, and more. So this is it. This is the new version of LanguaTalk, and it's going to help you learn a language in a much more realistic way, kind of like talking to a tutor and then getting some homework to do. And you can always ask for help during the conversation, and I hope you all like it and appreciate it. If you have any feedback, if you are happy with it, feel free to join our Discord community and sharing your feedback there. I am always listening, and so is the team. So yeah, enjoy and thank you.